Sai Krishna. Today I'm going to be class 6 and I'm going to show you my new books that is bought by my school, Jain International School. I'm going to show you the pack nicely. Wait, let me open the pack. Here first we get the Swadhyay. We get this offer card for accessing all the answer key. Here we got wrapper. The wrapper is made up of nice paper, and here we get 2 black pens, and next we get 5 Apsara pencils, and we also have our school name in here. Jain International School name also we have here. And next we got one Super X Natraj blue pen, and next we got one long scale, Natraj long scale. Then we got Apsara students mathematical instruments. It is of scale, set scale, and protractor. And this is eraser. And this is eraser and sharpener. Both are there inside this. Now see, this much stationaries are here. I'm going to show you my stationaries. This much stationaries are here. Now I'm going to show you about my all books and notebooks. I'll show you. This is Amruk Class 6 Hindi Reader. Hindi Patmala Amruk version 2 this is. I'm going to show you clearly. See guys, it's like this. It has Hindi grammar and all the Hindi features in this book. And our next book is Boot on Screen computer book. Windows 10 and MS Office 2016. I'm going to show you here. You can see clearly. Inside this we are going to learn about new topics in this book. And our next book is Science Enrichment Practical Work and Activities. In this book we have all kinds of activities. I'm going to show you. See, all these are activities, and here this is space to write how these activities are done. And our next book is Mathematics Enrichment Lab Activity book. First we known about science, that was only activity book. Next this is lab activity book. I'm going to show you here. See, you can see clearly, like that same book and same company. Here activities are here, activities are there, and here we can write how the activity was done. And our next book is our Tili Kannada book. Kannada book is, this book has Kannada grammar and how we can talk about it. Conservations we also have in this. I'm going to show you. See guys, this is Tili Kannada book. Inside this book there are lots of poems and stories. These are the last poems that are sung by the great artist. And this is science workbook. In this book we have all new features about our three states in science, that is biology, chemistry and physics. I'm going to show you science workbook. See, it has all kinds of exercises and we are going to know about it afterwards. And our next book is Science Adaptive Learning for Science Textbook. Middle stage book this is. In this book we are going to see how we can do everything. This is physics lesson, this is chemistry lessons, this is biology. All it has 3 types of different lessons in this book. And our next book is Social Science Workbook. Inside this book it has 3 types. That is what we say. That is geography and history and civics. Inside this you can see Wait, I'm showing you here. See. And our next book is social textbook, middle age book. As I told you, it has history, civics and geography. I'm going to show you here. See here. It is written here, history, geography and social and political life known as civics. It shows everything, how, when and where and everything, information, detailed information it has it inside this. And next is our English workbook. This workbook has all the English feature with English grammar also. See, I'm going to show you here. See here, guys. And our next book is English textbook with middle age. It has all kinds of grammar and English literature to improve our English vocabulary. You can see here. See, this is grammar, similes, all are written here inside this book. And our next book is mathematics textbook. This textbook has middle age book, but it's very useful for our thing. In this book we have all kinds of new topics like algebra that I have not learned still, algebra and data recovery, all things are written inside this. I'm going to show you. See this book. And our next book is maths workbook. Maths workbook has same features like maths textbook only. I'm going to show you here. So our books are also over. Now we have finished our things. Now I'm going to show you how much books I have in total. Total, you can see this much books we have. Now I'm going to show you by detail. This is maths workbook. This is maths textbook. This is English textbook. First I'm going to show you textbook. This is social textbook. This is science textbook. Now our textbook is over. Now it's time for notebooks. This is English notebook. This is maths workbook. This is social science workbook. This is science workbook. Now it's time for other subjects. This is Kannada textbook. This is enrichment mathematics textbook. This is enrichment science practical book. This is computer book, and last our Hindi book is here. Now I'm going to keep the stationery. This is whiteboard. This is blue pen. This is scale. These two are black pen. This is mathematical instruments. This is both eraser and sharpener. This is our pencils, and this is one eraser plus free guarantee card here. I'm going to show you here. Okay, you can see this lots of things we got from our Jain International School. So all of you, if you study in Jain International School, please like and subscribe my video and still press the bell icon. Until then, meet at the next video. Bye.